A frequent question in family law cases involves the allocation of debt. And one question that frequently arises when discussing debt is this. The question is, can I be held liable by a creditor for debts on which my name does not appear? Let's say that a wife in a divorce case comes to my office. We're talking about debts. She tells me that her husband has 2 or 3 credit cards in his name, but that her name is nowhere on those credit cards, that her name wasn't submitted along with the application for credit, that she didn't sign the application. And in that case, generally, the answer to the question is no, the wife will not be held liable by the creditor for the debt, meaning that the creditor most likely could not sue the wife in a court and obtain a judgment for debts that are in the husband's name solely. But what we've learned today from the blog post in the case of Smothers versus Baptist Hospital East is that all bets are off, and that's not necessarily a safe answer when we're talking about expenses incurred by one parent on behalf of a child. In Smothers, we had unmarried parents. The husband or the father provided the health insurance, and the mother took a child to the hospital for treatment on 2 separate occasions. The treatment, according to the record, was not authorized by the father. Father didn't necessarily even know that the child was being treated. And then when the wife failed to pay the outstanding balance on the hospital bill, the hospital was successful in suing and gaining a judgment against the husband or the father, despite the fact that the father had no knowledge and didn't participate in the incurrence of the debt. So we have to remember that in expenses or with expenses involving children in Kentucky, the doctrine of necessaries will sometimes allow a creditor to come after a parent for necessary expenses involving a child, even if that parent had no active involvement or in no way actively participated in the incurrence of the debt. If you have more questions or you wish to discuss any issue related to family law, any issue related to debt, please feel free to give me a call. My name is Jason Datillo. I'll be happy to answer your questions. I'll be happy to give you a free consultation. My phone number is 584-7217. Thank you very much.